Gautam, if you have to explain about yourself in one sentence, what Gautam is all about,
Sir, I'm tenacious.
it means what?
Uh, I never give up easily,
Okay, you
basically.
never give up. So, can you give me some example, any example of your life where you feel that you have never given up and you work till the end?
Sir, I can basically give during a event, uh, sports event in my 10th class. I got injured during the first match only, and we have to play three matches to qualify. So during that, uh, b- uh, I was carrying injury, but I think used to play. I till played till the third game, and we qualified after that. So that's a example I can give.
Okay. So, you have interest about sports also?
Yes, sir.
What kind of sports you play?
Sir, I used to play football.
You used to play football. Okay. How many players were there normally in football game?
So our team has 11 players and a total of 22 players.
Okay. If we have to get the idea that give me the name of top five players in the field of football at a national level, then
So Sunil Shetty, Thapa, Arvind Singh, sorry. So I don't watch the Indian team.
okay. You don't see the match, only you play.
No, no, sir. You watch the international player games, so World Cup.
Okay. Or why engineering, Gautam?
I'm interested in designing, so I choose mechanical field, and I'm now learning from different software, SolidWorks and AutoCAD.
So Pinnacle, I think, can be the suitable option for you because you like
Yes, sir.
designing.
Yes, sir.
So what do you like most about Pinnacle?
Sir, I use they design stuff for the big projects like they build buildings, so I can be a part of the system. So design of parts they used for that.
So if not Pinnacle, then what?
Then would be I'm thinking of taking a year to study for GATE exam.
Are you preparing for GATE?
Yes, sir. I'm currently doing slightly, but I will do after my graduation.
So what are the five options available after GATE examination?
Sir, you can get into PSUs. You get you can get selected for the universities like IITs and NITs, and you can also study for go abroad to study.
Okay, Gautam.
Yes,
Nice
sir.
talking to you. I'll
Thank you, sir.
request Colonel Rathod sir to take the next part of your interview.
Good afternoon, sir.
You belong to which place?
Sir, Chaundia, near Makrana, which is also called the Sangmarmar city.
Why did you choose Gitanjali for your engineering?
Sir, my sister works at the Mavli Navodaya Vidyalaya. As it's near her, so I choose that.
Okay. So, what is it that you like about Gitanjali? Three things.
The staff, the teachers, the way culture, and you get opportunities for your projects and all.
You get opportunities for.
You get support for your projects.
You get support for your projects. Okay. You said you like the staff.
Yes, sir. Sir, mainly teaching, mainly teaching stuff.
Okay. Non-teaching staff. मतलब हमारे जैसे लोग नहीं, बाकी वाले नहीं.
No, sir, I didn't I didn't have much contact with the other staff. I uh,
Okay.
I just
Okay. Okay. So, what do you like about the staff in general? I'm not talking of any one particular person. What is it? which makes it different? The culture of Gitanjali makes it different.
So I don't know about other colleges, but for me, the way of teaching. So they have a way of teaching, so everybody can. So for myself, I'm speaking, I can understand what they are teaching to us.
Okay. Okay, Gautam, what is your aim in life?
My aim that would be uh, to get a decent job and support my family.
What is a decent job?
So that can pay for my expenses, which I be having in future.
Okay. Gautam, my next question.
Yes, sir.
You are looking for a job, as you said, you want to get into a decent job like anyone else, right?
Yes, sir.
So, if you have to list three things in the order of priority
Yes, sir.
about choosing a job, what will it be? Three things about a job कि सर ये तीन चीज होनी चाहिए जो मुझे अभी जॉब लेना है उसमें.
So the first one would be the package. The
First
second
is
would be
package,
the location,
second is location,
and the third one would be the work culture over there.
third one is the work culture. Okay. Okay, Gautam, one last question.
Yes, sir.
Three things in your personality that you would like to improve immediately without wasting much time.
I would like to change my attitude about some stuff. I can't think of some other.
Chalo. Okay, Gautam, nice talking to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All the best.
It's a pleasure. Good afternoon, sir.
Uh, am I audible properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, have you worked in AutoCAD?
Sir, I have done my training slightly. Not
You have done training of how many hours?
sir, it was of 6 weeks. I can't pick the hours.
Okay. So you can make drawings in AutoCAD.
Sir, normal 2D drawings I can do in AutoCAD.
Okay.
For the 3Ds, I have done SolidWorks.
Okay. So what is the first thing that we have to do before making any drawing in AutoCAD?
Sir, basically you have to choose the area. You have to fix when you look at an image, you get the dimensions of the total dimensions for the maximum and the lowest. So you
Mhm.
choose the uh, a total area to draw in the AutoCAD.
How to choose that area?
So you have a command.
Mhm. Which command?
Uh, Sir, I don't know the name right now. Sorry.
Do you know about limits?
Yes, sir. So that
While starting any drawing in AutoCAD, we have to set the
yes, sir.
limits.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, you have to the limits the upper limit and the lower limit of stuff.
No, that is not. I am asking about limits that we use in AutoCAD while making any drawing. The first step is to set the limits of the drawing so that whatever limit is there, whatever object you will make, it will come in that limit only.
Sir, the thing I was saying about the rectangular area you have to do, that's only the limits.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. So there is a limit, right?
Yes, sir.
Limits. So you have to first set limits that will specify particular area where you
Yes, sir.
can make any drawing. What is the next thing?
The next thing would be you choose the point from which you have to start drawing. Like if you have a mirror object that's mirrored, you will start from the mirrored line if a symmetry, if an object has a symmetry, you would start from there. You
Hmm.
basically put the
Is there any
coordinates.
importance of origin to set origin in any drawing?
Yeah, sir.
How we can set origin in any drawing?
Sir, when you choose the rectangular area, the origin would be from the bottom point would be the original.
Okay. So what kind of coordinate system are there
Yes,
in
sir.
the AutoCAD through which we can set the origin?
Sir, XY 00.
Is there any specific name of that coordinate system?
Cartesian coordinate system.
Cartesian coordinate system. No, in particular, I am saying about AutoCAD drawings. When we have to make any drawing in AutoCAD software, then you have to fix one type of coordinate system. Do you have any idea of UCS and WCS?
No, sir.
User coordinate system, word
Oh,
coordinate system.
yeah, sir. You
What
can
is that?
basically change the origin point for the user coordinate system.
Mhm.
You can pinpoint, like if you want to move the origin from the 39 to 39 2 or 1 or 2, you can choose that.
Mhm.
That would be the user.
So that can be done in AutoCAD now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the difference between these two? What is user coordinate system and what is word coordinate system? And normally, if
That
you have
would
to make any drawing in AutoCAD, then what is the preference? UCS or WCS?
that would be WCS, I think. I
WCS.
don't know
Why?
the. I don't know majorly. Sir,
Okay.
it's
Because
it has.
this is just starting of any drawing. Just you keep in mind that whenever you open that window,
Yes, sir.
right? Then first of all you have to set the limit. Otherwise, suppose for example you make any drawing in AutoCAD and you have not defined the limits of that drawing. What will happen?
Sir, if you draw an object that's too big for the screen, the
Mhm.
screen that is, it will go
Mhm.
out of the screen, and you
Out
cannot
of.
see the total object.
So suppose if the object goes out of the screen, then
Yes, sir.
how we can bring that object back into the screen? Is there any command that can be used?
Sir, you can scroll the,
Scrolling, it's very
or
difficult, you know.
you can
Again and
use
again
the
you
move.
scroll. Sorry,
You can change the scale.
scale.
Yes, sir. No,
Do
sir,
you
not
have
scale.
any idea about zoom commands?
Sir, during my training, I didn't use that.
Without using zoom, we cannot make any drawing.
No, sir. I use the drawings I used to make during my training, but not
Uh,
very complicated. So it's
no, there is no actually. What is zoom? What is in general way? If we talk, then what is zoom?
so look closely to a
Zoom
point
in,
or two.
zoom out, right?
Yes, sir.
Zoom in, zoom out. है ना? You have to go. You have to, if you have to see something particularly a particular area in a drawing, then you can zoom in.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Over from my side.
Thank you, sir. Rathor, sir, can you please give your suggestions and feedback to Gautam?
Yeah, Gautam,
Yes, sir.
how do you think your interview was?
Sir, it didn't went great. I was expecting for it to be go good, but it's what.
You were expecting it to be better?
Yes, sir.
Nothing to worry. It is a mock interview and this is basically for practice, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can practice. You have a good confidence level. There is no problem. Even your
Thank you.
communication is clear. Okay then, all the best.
So performance wise is good, but I was expecting more
Sir,
because when we have taken your first mock, I think first or second mock, then also you have performed well. At that time you were having some kind of network issues, so I have also pointed out.
I was in my
हाँ,
village.
इस बार भी थोड़ा नेटवर्क में बहुत ज्यादा मजा नहीं आ रहा, आवाज आवाज में फिर भी थोड़ा कहीं कहीं ब्रेकेज है, थोड़ा सा, है ना?
So I'll just switch on to different network during other stuff.
ठीक है. बाकी आपके आंसर्स अच्छे हैं. You have a good potential. There is no doubt about it. This
Thank
time
you,
you
sir.
have improved your the answer giving capabilities, right? So that is also good. So something somewhere there is good point, and you are improving, and focused approach you have, that is also one good point. But when you have talked about that you have the interest for GAT examination, then you should have a knowledge about these
Yes, sir.
already all these stuffs, है ना?
Yes, sir. I'll search about the different companies and get a better knowledge about that.